Keeler BMW at Keeler Motor Car Company is extremely happy to present this 2008 BMW X3 3.0 SI with Steptronic automatic transmission. Catch the eye of everyone you meet in this sporty BMW, furnished in an alpine white exterior and a gray Nevada leather interior with dark ash wood trim. With mileage of only 35,462 miles to its name, this excellently maintained X3 will be the best motor car you've ever had. This stunning BMW is tricked out with all the latest options, including the cold weather package, premium package, leather multifunction steering wheel, panoramic moonroof, rain sensor and auto xenon headlights, power front seats, adaptive light control, 17-inch wheels, tire pressure monitor, battery switch, CO2 control, automatic climate control, navigation system, privacy glass, and more, along with all the factory features of its model year. This X3 is a must-buy for anyone who's a fan of performance, comfort, and affordability. As with all our vehicles, it's Carfax certified. Call us today for more information or with any questions you may have.
Call us today to schedule a test drive. We're conveniently located on Route 7 in Latham, New York, just west of the Circle.